Hello again to the Math Tablet, and we're having a look at the second lesson in this coordinate geometry series. And in this session we're having a look at finding the midpoint between any 2 points on the Cartesian plane. Now we usually call the midpoint capital M, and its formula is given as the average of the two x coordinates. So we add them up and divide by 2, and then the average of the two y coordinates. So we add those up and divide by 2. Okay. So let's have a look at an example here. Suppose I've got the points A equals 2, 3, and another point say B, and it has coordinates negative 6, 8. Now if I want to find the midpoint between A and B, so I want the midpoint between A and B, so that's what I'm going to use for notation. I'm going to call that one x1, y1, and then for B, x2, y2. Okay, then it's a matter of substituting those values into the formula. So in this case, x1 is going to be 2, and x2 is negative 6 all over 2. And then y1, which is 3, y2, which is 8, all over 2. So the midpoint is going to be, let's just finish this off, okay? So 2 plus negative 6, which is going to be negative 4, divided by 2 is negative 2. And then on the other side, we've got 3 plus 8, which is 11, divided by 2. So we can write that as 11 over 2. Now notice that this final answer here is a midpoint between the 2 points. So in other words, it is still a set of coordinates, and it's really important that you remember that because it is a set of coordinates, you must have the brackets to show that it is a set of coordinates, and your answers is separated between the x and y by that comma. And I hope you'll find this useful. Thank you for tuning in to the Math Tablet.